Coding is most certainly a valuable and handy skill to have because it enables you to develop your own tools instead of relying solely on those developed by others. Nevertheless, it is not a requirement for all cybersecurity positions. For example, if you are aspiring to become a cybersecurity analyst, you do not need to know coding in most cases. If you would be interested to know more about what a cybersecurity analyst actually does, we have another video covering that topic. However, I would suggest attaining at least a basic understanding of the SQL query language. This is because security information and even management solutions, as well as managed detection and response solutions, use their own custom query languages for searching log data. If you have a basic grasp of how SQL works, you can very quickly adapt to any custom query language. If you are considering a career as a penetration tester, you can reach a certain level of expertise without coding skills, as there are various graphical user interface tools available. However, it will be to your advantage to have a working knowledge of at least some of the following languages: Bash for Linux and Macintosh users, PowerShell for Windows users, Python as a general language for penetration testing and exploit development, JavaScript for web application penetration testers, C, C++, C#, and assembly language for reverse engineering and malware analysis, and lastly, Rust and Go for advanced exploit development. If you are not comfortable at the command line or have no idea of what was just said, it is not a problem. You can still attain a good position in the cybersecurity industry. Go for it!